LuxAlgo, or you already have it and you are looking for to boost your profits, well, you are in the right place. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zero to Hero LuxAlgo course. In this video, we will be covering all the LuxAlgo's indicator, including the signals and overlays, price action concepts, and oscillator metrics. If you add all of them to your chart, let's take a look at how it works and what is it. So the signals and overlays is the first indicator that we will take a look at it. What it will give us is, it will give you the buy and sell signals, and it will also change your candle colors with green, with the purple, with the red. The purple means it's a consolidating, it's a ranging market. The green means it's a bullish, and the red means obviously bearish market. So that's everything you need to know about the signals and overlays, and let's go and check the price action concepts here. So the price action concept is a great tool that it will help in our trading a lot. It's our best friend, it's our confirmation friend. So it will give us the change of character, the break of structure, the trend lines, the fair value gaps, and the breaker blocks, the premium discount zones. It's so helpful for us. The next tool we will discover is this oscillator matrix. It will give you these arrows, and the most important thing is the money flow. You can see the bearish money flow and the bullish money flow in the oscillator matrix, and we will go deep everything together. Let's go and see the settings now, how you should set up those indicators. It's very important that you understand this correctly before you use it. Let's start with the signals and overlay settings. We have enabled the confirmation exits, the signal classifier is checked, the sensitivity is 10. This sensitivity topic is highly asked question, which number you should pick, and I will show you in this video in very detail and very clear. I will come to that. The candle coloring is confirmation simple. The smart trail is enabled. We have trend tracer, trend catcher, reversal zones, and neo cloud. So if you are interested more about these guys, I shooted a video where I combined this. Make sure you check the link above. Let's continue. AI classifier 1 2 3 4, and the dashboard is enabled, and the trend strength is checked. It's our best friend. So hit OK button, it's not so scary. So when it comes to the signal sensitivity, how we will set it, how should we set it? If you see the right bottom corner, it will show you optimal sensitivity. It says 11, right? And if you change the time frame here, it will show you a different number. It says 19. Let's make a 19 together and see what it does. If you make it 19 here, you will see that signals are gone away and we are getting a less signals. Why? Because we increase the sensitivity and it will act more picky. If you go up until like 25 or so, it will act as it. Let's go over to the price action concept settings here. What we have enabled the show loss order blocks to 5, internal buy sell activity. You can enable the show breakers. It's nice tool, but if you are beginner, just wait a little bit. The length is 5, the show metrics. Copy everything you see on my screen. I will describe everything. The fair value gaps is your best friend, and I have mentioned the trend lines. You don't need patterns here. The premium discount zones, the fair value gaps. You can enable the daily, Monday, and weekly highs and lows, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Just hit the OK button. I am using the oscillator matrix in default settings, so you don't need to change anything. Now let's see some examples. Let's combine these crazy guys together to see how accurate it is. So we got a 4 classified sell signal on 10-minute time frame, and we are trading Dow Jones here. But I don't have to say, but let's say this all strategies work on Indian market, work on forex market, works on crypto market, futures market. It works on any market you want, and you can trade with any time frame. So let's go back to here. We got a 4 classified sell signal, right? That means, what is 1 2 3 4? I am putting on this screen, you can see that from 1 to 4. 4 is the highest strength, so we got the highest strength sell signal here. And the next thing you should do is, you need to check if the smart trail returns to red. It should be red, and your candle color must be purple or red. it shouldn't be green. If it is green, we are passing that out. So it is purple, check one. And the next thing we will look for is the price action concept should give us a change of character here. We need to see the market returns from the bullish to bearish. The change of character means that when the market changes character like the bullish to bearish, it gave this signal to you, and we following the market. After we get the sell signal, the smart trail is still red, everything goes perfect. Now the bars returns to red, we see a resistance here, and after that we see our lovely change of character with the plus sign. It means that it's a strong change of character. So after that you will take a short position with the bar close here. You see this bar, right? After this bar close, take that short position. And the next question is, how long should we ride our trade? The answer is so simple. The first thing is, you can ride your trade until you see this equal lows. Equal low means that it's a bullish price action. Price couldn't go lower and it make the equal low, so it can go up. It's not always, but sometimes it does that. It's kind of a bullish signal. And the next thing you can look for is a take profit signal from the signals and overlays, which gave with you like this X icon, right? And the final thing you can check is the change of character on the bullish side as appeared on our chart here. So you have three options, you can prefer which one you like. Let's look at a long example here so you got everything cleared on your mind. We got a three classified buy signal here from the signals and overlays. And we got a bullish fair value gaps here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's an amazing price action going on now. And what we will look for is, remember, the smart trail should be blue, and we need to see a change of character here, right? And we have a surprise here. We got the equal lows, what I just said to you. If you see equal lows, it means like a bullish signal. Now let's take the oscillator metrics also in this stage. Let's go down and see we got a bullish money flow going up, so it's a great thing. Everything it shows us, just take this long position, don't miss that. And after the bar close with the change of character here, take your long position. And you can ride your trade, as I said, until you see an equal high, this time equal high, right? The equal low, equal high, or a change of character, or when you see an X icon from the signals and overlays. And you can put your stop loss to the recent support line here. It's so obvious. You can use the equal low here, and that's it. That's how you should use this perfect combination. It's not so hard. We don't need a 3-hour course to show you how you should use this. All I want you to do is put everything on your chart and do everything what I said to you. Play with the signals and overlay signal sensitivity and change the time frame, see, backtest yourself, play around and trade with your paper account. This is very important. You will learn while you trade. It doesn't have to be a real money, but you can also trade with the demo account. It will teach you a lot while you trade. Follow the price action and see what's going on. When it gave you the signal and what it does after it gave you the signal. If you still don't have the LuxAlgo's premium toolkit, I highly suggest you check the link in the description because there is a discount waiting for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please consider watching those videos, and before you leave, hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, see you soon.